How to cancel SuperGrok subscription quick guide. Are you still getting charged for SuperGrok even though you no longer use it? You are not alone. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to cancel your SuperGrok subscription in just a few simple steps, so you can stop those automatic renewals right now. SuperGrok is XAI's premium AI subscription, and like most services, it auto-renews every billing cycle unless you manually cancel it. The good news is canceling is quick and clean, and you will keep access until the end of your current billing period. So let us get straight into it. Step 1. Open your browser and go to grok.com. Make sure you are logged into the account that has the active SuperGrok subscription. Step 2. Once you are on the Grok dashboard, look at the left side panel and click on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Step 4. Inside Settings, go to the Billing section. Here you will see your active SuperGrok plan. Step 5. Click the Manage button right next to SuperGrok, then click Manage your subscription. Step 6. You will now see the Cancel Subscription option. Click it. The system will ask you to confirm, so click Cancel Subscription one more time to finalize everything, and that is it. Your subscription is now canceled. You will not be charged again, and you will still have full access to SuperGrok until your current billing period ends. Now here is your pro tip. If you subscribe to SuperGrok through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store rather than directly through grok.com, you cannot cancel from inside the app. On iPhone, go to Settings, tap your name, then Subscriptions, find SuperGrok and cancel it there. On Android, open Google Play, tap your profile, go to Payments and Subscriptions, find SuperGrok and cancel it from there. Always cancel from wherever you originally subscribed, otherwise the charges will keep coming. So to wrap up, we went to grok.com, navigated to Settings and then Billing, clicked Manage and confirmed the cancellation. Simple, fast, and done in under 2 minutes. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe so you never miss a quick guide like this one. And let me know in the comments, are you switching to a different AI tool or just taking a break? I would love to hear from you. See you in the next one.